Welcome to my Google Classroom for 5th graders. I'm going to introduce my online formative assessment. Boston Tea Party Skit, due June 8. Students will create a fictional family in 1773, a husband, wife, sons, or daughters. They'll create a script for a skit which discusses this family's reaction to the Boston Tea Party. This family's discussion will need to contain both the patriot and loyal's point of view. The students will need to make reference to 2 events that happened prior to the Boston Tea Party. Each group will be assigned a Google document for their skit, and each student will be responsible for creating their own lines. And they'll each have a color that they will use when they type their lines. Now I'm going to go to the Boston Tea Party skit document. As you can see, the same instructions are up top. The group number, who is in the group, and the colors that go along with the characters. And they can decide that on their own. This assessment will help with their understanding of multiple events that led up to the American Revolution. Students will be able to understand multiple perspectives on this topic. Using this information I receive from this assessment, I may have to adjust my lessons moving forward. We'll go back to the home page here. I'm introducing Google Classroom to you as a YouTube video because some educational institutions have to authorize the use of it with a G Suite for Education username. I was able to create my own Google Classroom with my own personal Google account. Thank you.